Welcome to Fareclock, where we automate timekeeping and control attendance. Hi, I'm Shine, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up scheduling in Fareclock. Let us start by opening your organization's console dashboard. In the left corner of your screen, you will see Settings. Click Settings and you will find Shifts. Click Shifts and this will open to the 3 sub-menus on how to set up employee shift schedules. The first mode is Open. It allows employees a convenient and flexible way to clock in and out any time of the day. The second mode is Schedule. This setting is for employees with assigned shift schedules for the day. The last one is the Schedule plus Open. This will check if the employee is scheduled to work upon clocking in, and if so, then scheduled shift will apply. If the employee is not scheduled, then it will allow the employee to work under an open shift using configure defaults, which we will discuss on the next video tutorial. These are the 3 shift modes available in Fareclock. Choose the one that best fits your organization's needs. For detailed guidance on setting up your selected shift mode, check out our separate video tutorials for open shift or schedule and schedule plus open shift settings. You can find the links in the description box below or visit our help center at support@fareclock.com. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial updates. Happy time chatting! Bye!